अगर आप एक सही तरीके से Oracle 19C को डिलीट नहीं करोगे तो बहुत सारे उसके लेफ्ट ओवर्स जो हैं, यानी फाइल्स, फोल्डर्स, रजिस्ट्री एंट्रीज, ये सब रह जाएगा, जिसके वजह से पूरा ये क्लीनली अनइंस्टॉल नहीं होगा। सो आज हम क्या सीखने जा रहे हैं कि अच्छी तरीके से कैसे हम पूरा 19C को क्लीन आउट कर सके अपने सिस्टम से। So today we are going to uninstall Oracle 19C the cleanest way. It consists of 4 steps. So the first step we are going to do is deleting the environment variable. So for that we have to go to the system info. Okay. Yes, now under system variables we'll choose the path and delete the entry for the environment variable for the Oracle home directory. So that we are going to delete. This generally this environment variable is set for the Oracle home directory. Now this is done. So the next step is to delete the registry entries. So let's open the registry. So first of all we'll go to the local machines. Now here we'll find around 7 entries which starts with Oracle. See, these are the entries. So let's delete one by one. Now it's deleted. One more place is left. Okay, let's go to softwares now. Under this we'll go to softwares now, and there will be an Oracle folder. Let's delete that one as well. That's it. It was the step 2. So we have cleaned the registry entries. Now the next step is deleting the Oracle user and group accounts. So when we install Oracle, in the background lot of user accounts and groups are created to manage Oracle. So this is the user created during installation. See, this is the member of these DBA groups. So we'll delete this later. Let's go and find all the groups. See, these are the groups. Almost 14 groups are there. So let's delete. Okay, now after deleting the groups, let's delete the user account as well. So this is done. Now actually we need a reboot. So let's reboot to release all the resources. And next is to delete the directories. So there are 2 directories we have to delete. So let's find those directories on the C drive. So one is the app directory which we have created, and here the database is installed actually, and there is under program files there will be the software, Oracle software. So we'll be deleting these 2 directories. So without reboot, if you'll attempt, some of the files will be not able to delete. That's why I've rebooted it. So let's delete these files first. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, so it is deleted. Now this folder, let's delete it as well. So now delete this app folder as well. Okay, now we'll go to the program files and let's delete this Oracle directory. So that's it. So now we've successfully uninstalled Oracle 19c. Thank you.